Hey guys, I'm Dupree. Today I'll be showing you a few little weird banks that I think are fun and are good to know in your game, especially in the game of 8-ball. Now 8-ball, let's just throw out a few more balls right here. 8-ball is a game where you have a group of balls that you have to make. So solids or stripes. And then there's also the 8-ball. So you have to make all of those balls and then the 8-ball. So let's say we're solids. We have to make all the balls and then the 8-ball. The problem with playing 8-ball is if you miss, like let's say we try to bank this 6 into that bottom corner. If we miss, then our opponent has a very high chance of running out, because look how many balls, look how many options there are. See, if I get wrong, say I was trying to play for the 15 next, if I play wrong on that, look, right over here, I have this easy little 9-ball. And then we got this 15, and then so on, and then so on. So my point, see, then we would just have to shoot the 13 and then roll up and shoot the 8. However, I hooked myself on the 13, I think. I'm not looking at the shot, but I think I did. So, you cannot really miss. And it's very hard to play safe in 8-ball. 8-ball is one of the games where playing safe is pretty difficult. So let's say we have this layout right here. There's really no pocket for the 6. There's really no safety for the 6-ball. Because you have 2 balls pretty much over the pocket, 9 balls are really close to that pocket, and 13's out in the open. So we're going to have to play a double bank. Or you could also try to like heavy cut bank this, but that's a little difficult. That's more difficult than the double bank right here. Now to kind of measure a double bank, there really is no system. And if there is one, comment one down below. If you have any link to a video on it, show me, because I don't know of a system for a double bank like this. But maybe you guys do, because I don't know everything in the world. I'm human. So, what you would do, usually when a ball goes into the rail, it comes out at the same angle. If you are using center ball on your cue ball, if there's no spin on your cue ball, it'll just go in and then come out at the same angle. Now, usually after that, it'll go about half of that angle. It usually shortens after it hits this rail. And sometimes, let's say if we hit it with left spin and hit it really hard, it'll come back in this direction. So now you see it's on the other side of my cue ball. So we're going to have to hit this fairly slow. And if we use left spin, we're going to have to get our 6-ball to hit around here. We want our 6-ball to hit somewhere around this first diamond. We also have this 15 to help us out if we mess up. I just noticed that. And what I mean by that is if this ball goes like that, we have that 15 to help us get it into that pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Now this isn't a first try every time thing. Like none of these banks will be. This is like last resort, no other shot things. Or if you just feel really comfortable with shots like this. Like you could also try to shoot the 6 into the 10. Like bank the 6 into the 10 and have both of the balls go in. Like that's a possibility. But I feel like this shot is higher percentage, so we're going to shoot this one, and here it is. So now let's say we're playing 8-ball again, and there is no pocket for the 8-ball. The 8-ball does not go into the corner. If I aim to shoot the 8 to the corner, we run into that 15 ball right there. And some of you may say, well, this will never come up in a tournament. This will never come up in an actual game. He's just setting this up. Now, this has been done in a tournament before, and there's a viral video about it. So, obviously, it's a shot that was known by Chris Melling, and he shot it, and he made it. And he's probably practiced this shot before. Now, it was the 1 ball, and he shot the 8 next, but I just set it up like this. So, the goal is to hit the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 rails and get it to go into the corner pocket. Now again, there is no aiming system for 4 rail banks. There really isn't, and there's so much to predict, and if there is, it'll probably be wrong half of the time. But if you know one, comment it down below and let me know, and I will try it out and see if it works. So, 4-rail bank, we're really just trying to aim somewhere near the first diamond. Now, usually when you practice this, you just practice just shooting it and then just making adjustments, like guess and check. See, I know I came up short there. Like, I hit too far right here, so I know my cue ball went too close to this corner pocket. So that tells me I need to have more of an angle on my ball. I overcut my 8-ball. So this is the process you go through before you try to shoot this in a match or tournament. And you see how that is too wide. So now we try to find the middle between those. I'm trying to give myself the same shot every time. Also, the faster you hit it, the shorter the rebound angle is. Well, that was absolutely pure luck right there. I would have come up a little bit short. But it still would have counted because we called the 8-ball in the corner. Never said it would hit the cue ball. But you always want to play like a game, like a fair game like that. But this is the process you could be going through. And there it is, right into the heart of the pocket. So as you see, I think I shot it about 4 times there, and it was like 1 in 4. I'm gonna try to shoot this 15 one-handed. It was like 1 in 4 that I made it, so 25% is not that bad. So let's move on to the next shot. Now I'm just gonna shoot the shot along the long rail, just to demonstrate this one right here. This is also a shot that's shot fairly often in matches, just 6-9, set up right here. Cue ball comes from the back, hits the 6, sends that 9 down table. And the good thing about this shot, 9-ball is not usually call pocket, unless you're in a call pocket tournament. Unless it's stated otherwise, 9-ball is not call pocket. But 10-ball and 8-ball is. So, if you miss this 9, if the 9 comes up short, like right here, your 9 does have a chance to rebound off of that rail and come up and go into this corner pocket. So you always really want to hammer this shot in. Don't hammer it to where your stroke is like really like sloppy. So we're going to try to bank the 9 off of that rail down there after kicking and hitting the 6, and get the 9 to go into this corner. Also, you just want to hit this hard because you could also double bank it. Like hit off this rail, then hit off that rail and come down here. There's a lot of things that can go right in 9-ball in your way. There's a lot of things that can go wrong because you could try to triple bank, double bank it, and it just ends up right over that pocket. You got to really hammer this shot if you're going to shoot it in a match. Little bit of topspin so your cue ball stops like it did last time. So I'm just going to demonstrate this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button and then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys are interested in improving your game, I'd like to introduce you to a product called the IQ Training Ball. Now this ball has several different contact points, above center, center, and below center, and it just helps you improve your repetition. When you hit the ball, a little chalk mark is left on the face so you can see if you're actually hitting center. A lot of people think they're hitting center and they're actually hitting like low left or low right. That's never good. So if you'd like to order the IQ Training Ball, you can go to www.iqclinic.com. That's IQECLINIC.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.